take the risk, jump into it. Don't hesitate, because otherwise you'll overthink it.
So Steve, happy to have you at Forward. I know you're presenting on some of the fantastic use cases, one of them being what we're here to talk about today. Why don't you tell us a little about your AI use case?
Yeah, we had the first look at document understanding and Action Center with UiPath, and we were processing about 300 prescriptions a week manually. It was very time intensive, and by implementing the solution, we were able to not only take the work away and free up people to do much more value-added activity, we were also able to manage the scale of growth where Germany is growing at 50% per year, and we've seen their prescription volume double with that as well. So it's a great product and one that we're very pleased with.
Yeah, and it's just an interesting use case. I know so many times we see AP invoice entry or something else, but German prescriptions is definitely a unique use case and sounds like a great value to the organization. I know Dexcom's growing super fast with all the success you've had, so love to see that. I know this was really your first use case into UiPath AI. Maybe tell us a little bit about some of the other AI areas that you're exploring.
Well, if you don't mind, I was going to add too that the letters of authorization have been added in Germany. The excitement there is pretty amazing. We've probably got 6 different solutions that we've added there as well.
That's an outstanding use case, and obviously your first foray into UiPath AI. What are some of the other areas in AI that you're looking for?
Well, we want to take a look at communications mining. We think there's an opportunity in that space. We're doing deep research in Gen AI, trying to look at how we can take the capability and use it to really transform our business across all of the functions, whether it's manufacturing, procurement, finance, in back office, customer support. I think there's opportunities everywhere.
That's great. And as I said, you really had a unique use case. German prescriptions are not the use case that everybody sees, but it still was a fantastic AI use case where I think probably everybody could benefit maybe from some lessons learned. Or what words of wisdom would you have for people who are maybe just dipping their toe into UiPath AI?
With UiPath AI, I think feel free to make the jump, because the success breeds success, and once you prove out the capability, that generates some more volume and ideas that we hope to expand across the rest of Europe and Asia, frankly, from the experience of Germany. So take the risk, jump into it, don't hesitate, because otherwise you'll overthink it.
Very sound advice. So maybe last question, what are you hoping to get out of the conference here? What have you gotten out of, and what do you hope to get out of the conference so far?
Well, our mission at Dexcom is to help the business scale and scale effectively and efficiently. And UiPath is one of the levers we use to get that done. So our mission this particular Forward 6 session is to figure out how we can leverage communications mining, and also how we can capitalize on Gen AI. There's a lot of talk and buzz in this space from every corner of the leadership, and they want to see where we can use this capability. And what we've heard so far this morning is exciting to hear.
Well, it's been an honor to work with you, Steve. You're doing outstanding things, and hope the conference is fruitful for you.
Thanks, Don. Appreciate it.